Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about something fascinating that happens beneath the ocean surface every single day. Communication. When we think of communication, we usually think of words or gestures, but marine animals have developed remarkable ways to send messages to each other. In this presentation, I will focus on three very different animals: dolphins, bluefin tuna, and mantis shrimp. Each one uses a completely different method, and by comparing them, we can understand how life in the ocean has shaped this unique ability. Before we look at each animal, let me explain why communication is so important in the ocean and why it is so challenging. First, the ocean is mostly dark. Below about 200 meters, there is almost no sunlight, so many animals cannot rely on vision. Second, the ocean is enormous. A school of fish might spread over several kilometers, so signals need to travel far. Third, making sounds or showing bright colors can attract predators. Animals need to communicate in ways that are safe. These challenges led to three main purposes for communications: hunting for food, finding a mate, and keeping the group together. Now let's see how three very different animals solve these problems. Now let's look at our first case: dolphins. Dolphins are probably the most well-known communicators in the ocean. They use sound in three main ways. First, they produce clicking sounds for echolocation. echolocation. This means they send out clicks and listen for the echo. By measuring the time it takes for the echo to return, they can find fish even in total darkness. Second, they produce whistles for social communication. And third, they use burst pulses, rapid sound bursts to express emotion, like excitement or alarm. Let's go deeper into the most fascinating aspect: signature whistles. The most remarkable discovery about dolphin communication is the signature whistle. Every dolphin develops its own unique whistle in the first year of life. Their whistle acts almost like a name. Other dolphins in the group can recognize and even copy it to call that individual. Incredibly, a study found that dolphins could still remember the signature whistle of a companion after more than 20 years of separation. This suggests that dolphin social memory is very long and complex, similar in some ways to human friendship. Dolphins also use clicks and whistle for cooperative hunting. They coordinate to surround school of fish, signal their positions, and avoid crashing into each other at high speed. Our second case is the bluefin tuna, and this is a very interesting contrast to dolphins. Unlike dolphins, tuna are largely silent. They do not produce complex sounds. So how do they coordinate? The answer is the lateral line, a sensory organ that runs along the sides of the fish's body. It detects tiny changes in water pressure. They want tuna turns or the accelerates. The surrounding fish feel the pressure wave and react instantly. This allows a school of thousands of tuna to move as if they were one organism. Researchers are also investigating whether tuna use electroreception, detecting weak electric fields, for additional communication. But this is still an active area of research. What is clear is that tuna shows us that communication does not require sounds at all. Our third and perhaps most surprising case is the mantis shrimp. While dolphins use sound and tuna use water pressure, mantis shrimp use light in ways we humans cannot even see. Mantis shrimp have 16 types of photoreceptors. Humans only have 3. This means they can see colors, ultraviolet light, and polarized light. Polarized light vibrate in only one direction. Most animals, including predators, cannot detect it. Mantis shrimp use this to communicate secretly, sending signals that their enemies literally cannot see. They use these signals to claim a territory, attract mates, and warn rivals. Their shells also reflect these special light patterns, turning their bodies into living billboards that only other mantis shrimp can read. Let's compare the three species side by side. Dolphin, sound-based, very socially complex. Signals can travel long distances in water. Bluefin tuna, pressure-based, medium social complexity, short range but extremely fast. Mantis shrimp, light-based, medium social complexity, short range but totally secret from predators. Why is there such diversity? The key is the environment. Sound travel well in open ocean, perfect for dolphins. In a fast moving school of tuna, pressure detection is faster than any other signal. In a coral reef blow, a visual signal that predators cannot detect is the safest choice. Evolution shaped each species' communication to fit its exact lifestyle. To conclude, today we saw three very different solutions to the same challenge. How to communicate underwater, dolphins developed a complex acoustic language with individual names. Bluefin tuna evolved a fast, body-based pressure system that allow perfect group coordination without a signal sound. And mantis shrimp built a secret visual language in wavelengths that most of the ocean cannot even see. Each system is a brilliant adaptation to a specific environment. Studying these animals is not just fascinating science, it also has practical value. Dolphin echolocation has inspired better sonar systems. Tuna schooling behavior informs swarm robotics, and mantis shrimp vision research is advancing camera technology. The ocean is full of conversation. We just need to learn how to listen. Thank you.